Welcome back, Grade 6, to Nelson Math, Chapter 4, Section 1, Adding and Subtracting Whole Numbers. There are two strategies we'll be using today. One is called rounding, and one is called regrouping. They're certainly related, but they have a couple of differences. Rounding is a mental math strategy for adding and subtracting numbers. When you round, you will need to adjust your answer to get the exact answer. For example, 23 plus 58 can be rounded to 20 plus 60 equals 80. 23 is 3 more than 20, and 58 is 2 less than 60. So adjust your answer by adding 1. This would be adding 3 and then removing 2, and that means we've added 1. So the answer is 81. 76 minus 40 can be rounded to 80 minus 40 equals 40. But 76 is 4 less than 80, so our answer is by 4 too big. So adjust your answer by subtracting 4. The answer is 36. Another strategy that's a little bit similar to this is called regrouping. Regrouping is another mental math strategy for adding and subtracting. Regroup numbers into 5s or 10s to make calculations easier. For example, 43 plus 92 can be regrouped as 43 plus 2. We got the 43 and the 2 from the 92, and then add the 90. The answer is 45 plus 90 equals 135. 80 minus 19 can be regrouped as 80 minus 10 minus 9. So 80 minus 10 is 70. 70 minus 9 is 61. You have to be able to know which one to choose and then justify it. That means tell us why you chose it, if we of course ask. Let's take a look at some examples. I'm going to show you one different way for each question, but it does not mean it is the only way. You can do them differently. So for 545 plus 655, one way of doing it is take this 45 from the 545 and move it to 655. This gives us 655 plus 45 equals 700 plus 500. Once again, we took this 45 and moved it to here, which made it 500 plus 700. So 500 plus 700, 1,200. For B, 874 plus 926, we are going to take the 874 and add this 26. That gives us 900. So that leaves us now with 900 plus 900 equals 1,800. For C, 766 plus 704. We could do 766 plus 700 is 1,466. Now we can add the 4 that we didn't use. For 1,466 plus 4 is 1,470. I showed you 3 different ways for these 3 questions. However, you can do these in many different ways. Let's do C a different way. We could do 700 plus 700 is 1,400. 1,400 plus 60 is 1,460. Then 6 plus 4 is 10. So 1,460 plus 10 is 1,470. As long as your answer makes sense and you can justify it, it will work and it will make sense. Thanks, everyone. Have a good day.